Hello and welcome to the front row. Thank you so much for choosing the front row. My name is Roanna Moodley and today we are doing a daytime into nighttime video. So if you want to know how you can go from daytime to nighttime with just changing a little bit on your makeup, then do keep on watching. So we're going to do the eyebrows very quickly. Okay, let's do the eyebrows and get this thing on the road. We are doing it today. There's some hair on these brows, but we are dealing. We are doing a day to night vibe. We are going to prime my face. And we are using one of my favorite HD color correcting face primers for the daytime look. What's nice about this is that it carries you quite a long time into the night. So I am happy to use this for both. For the daytime, you just want to go simple. You don't want anything too hectic. You want to be a very clean face, which is kind of what we're doing here. And in the night you want to take it up a notch. For foundation, let us use our very LA Girl HD high definition foundation. I'm going to put 2 pumps on my sponge. I normally use 1 pump, but I want it to last into the night. So we are going to put in a little extra today. Because I want it to last the whole day, I'm going to use my Rose Gold by Kiki Beauty, and I'm going to spray my base again. So I know for a fact my base is going to last me a long time, because this needs to take me for the day and it also needs to carry me for the night as well. If I have to go for a party or if I'm going to be sweaty, then I know my setting spray is going to make my makeup last. For concealer and contour, I'm using my Maybelline sticks, and this, as you know, is the light honey and the warm olive that I'm going to use under my eyes. I'm choosing to use this because it does have a longer lasting finish, and that's kind of what I want, because I want my makeup to last all day and I want it to last all night if need be. So we are going to try and hide those pores. And while that's setting, let's give some definition to my face. Ever since I got this concealer and contour, I am so in love with it because it really does the job. It blends in beautifully, it hides my pores, and I just enjoy how it feels, because also as you get older you don't want your under eye to look extremely heavy, and this really doesn't make it look too heavy, and it supports me, it nourishes my skin and all of those things. So let's go ahead and blend this out. As you can see, I don't need to do too much. It literally does the job for me, and that is what you want out of your concealer. I'm blending upwards because I want to pick my eye up. To set my contour, I'm going to use my NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat, and this is in the color Cocoa. I'm not going to put too much really because this is a daytime look. I'm just going to put a little bit, and just so that it sits, nothing too hectic. Just give it some kind of definition and character. Then I'm going to take whatever's left on the brush and just powder up my eyelids, and it gives it a bronzy type of look. Next, I'm going to take my Sweet Cheeks palette, and it looks like this, and I'm going to be using the pinky color here in the corner, just a little to get some color on my cheeks. For daytime, looks like I'm, you know, sun-kissed. We're gonna push that up to the cheekbones here, and the same on this side. We are doing fabulous. I'm gonna rub some on the middle of my nose so it looks like I have been sun-kissed, and that is just about what we're doing for our daytime look. For mascara, I'm using the Hey Gorgeous mascara, and this is so beautiful. I'm going to put one layer on top because I am just doing a simple daytime look, and I will transform this a little bit later for our nighttime look, but you really don't need much going on for your daytime look. For lipstick, I'm using the Essence lipstick, and this is a beautiful pinky color. I am loving this color. To set my makeup, I'm using the LA Girl Pro matte powder. This is also in the same color as my foundation in Warm Honey, and I'm literally using it to set under my eyes and all over on my nose and my cheeks, so this makeup lasts pretty much the entire day. And then finally, I'm going to use my Kiki Beauty Rose Water Spray, and I'm going to spray my makeup. I'm using extra of this because I want it to last the entire day, and then I just need to touch up for my evening look. So this is my daytime look, and it's very fresh. It's just got a little bit of blush, some mascara, very light lipstick on it. There's not a lot of stuff going on my face. However, I've put on a thicker layer of foundation than I normally do, and more setting spray so that I know my makeup will stay intact all through the evening. And now it's time to pick up this look and make this turn into evening makeup. Let's go. I am using my eyeshadow palette, the Ash palette by NYX Cosmetics, and I am literally only going in with the black. That's it, nothing hectic. So I'm going to get ready for my evening wear, and I'm going to add some black to it because black is so easy to pull off. And I'm going to use my favorite move, and that is to place the eyeshadow on the corners of my eye and twist. Place and twist, place and twist. Notice I'm packing in most of the color here on the corner and not too many other areas, and that's literally where I'm going to keep most of the color and pack it on. And then whatever is left from the color, I'll just drag it across like so. But I want most of the color to be packed on here in the corner to give my eye an elevated look. Do you see that? Boom. Then I'm going to join the bottom to the top and just kind of smoke it out here so it looks complete and like it's part of the family. let's blend this out here. I want to highlight my face a little, so we were going to add some highlight to the high points of my cheeks, to my nose, just to give it some color. And then we are going to take a little bit and pop that in the corners of my eye as well. There we go, we are looking great. To add more definition, I'm going to take my Essence stick and I am just going to go over my lips. I'm going to take the same pinky Essence and I'm doubling up on the application. Well, there you have the nighttime look. And if you thought this tutorial was really helpful for you to get from daytime to nighttime, then please do comment, like, and subscribe to this channel because it does help me tremendously. I do post videos on beauty every Thursday, and every Monday is wisdom videos. And I guess I'll catch you on the next video. Keep it royal.